on United Airlines heading to Las Vegas. We're gonna stay at the Aria Resort Casino in Las Vegas. Alright, this is our drive to the hotel, so I'm gonna take a few videos of our drive. Okay, now we arrived in our room. We're in room 24103. And we're looking at the mini bar. Do not move anything off the mini bar. Make sure you read it. You have 60 seconds once you pick it up to decide if you want to purchase it or not. And we made a mistake, and I purchased one of the Sprites out the refrigerator. I'm opening the refrigerator that you see. It's a mini bar. When you look in it, you got all your different drinks. But if you remove one, get ready to pay. So I took a can of Sprite, and I found out that cost $10 just for a can of Sprite. So make sure you don't remove or put anything in the refrigerator or the mini bar. Make sure you read the notes here. Also, you got this cool feature. It's you can control your temperature, you can close the blinds, you could turn off the lights, you can control your television, all off this little tablet that they have in the room. So you can order service, you can do a lot of stuff. So when you get there, make sure you play around with the tablet, make sure you figure everything out. So we're gonna head down to the casino, and we had a drink. I'm showing you this drink here. It was a nice drink. But before you start getting things, make sure you ask for prices. This drink right here was $21. So I'd rather go gamble a little bit and get some drinks free. So we're gonna take a walk around the casino, and we're gonna go and get some breakfast. Y'all know where we're going? You see, we're gonna go across, and I'm gonna take, these are some views of what we're seeing right now. You see a Walgreens, so go to a CVS or Walgreens and stock up on some soda and water and snacks to put in your room. You'll save yourself some money. All right, we walked across. I think this is the Bellagio. If you look inside, the sky view, it's nice. They have a show every 30 minutes. So we're gonna go to the salsa Cantino breakfast. They have a $4.79 breakfast, eggs and bacon. It's pretty good. We got it's also this 99 cent.
Okay.
Which you see here, 99 cents. This is our breakfast here, $4.79. Well, I added extra slice of bacon, so I think $1.50. And we ordered some beans. And the breakfast is really good. It was saucy. All right, on our way back, and we went to Caesar Palace, and right across from Caesar's Palace, you got Hell's Kitchen. So I think it was his first day open, was January the 6th. All right, have a great day.